If you're starting a YouTube channel in 2025 but don't want to wait months for it to be monetized before you can start making money with it, stop what you're doing and watch this video, because I found a way to use AI to monetize any YouTube channel from day one without needing to rely on the YouTube Partner Program. And I know what you might be thinking. This sounds like just another crazy hook to grab my attention, but I promise you, it's real. And anyone can do this if you know the right AI tools to use. So instead of wasting your time on a long intro, let me just show you how it works. Okay, so here's what you need to get started. First, make sure you download my free video checklist that I created for this tutorial. It includes a step-by-step breakdown in the exact steps I'm going to show you next, as well as all of the AI prompts I'm going to use. So you can just copy and paste them. You can get a copy of my checklist through the link down in the description below this video. Next, you obviously need a YouTube channel that you've already created, or at the very least, a niche or topic that you know you want to create your channel about. Last, you need to find one or two big channels in your niche that have already posted a lot of content. I'll explain why you need this in just a second. Now that we know what you need to get started, let's head into the first step. Now, the first thing you need to do is head over to the AI app you see on my screen right here, called 𝗵𝗵 AI. There's a link to this app down below, and also in my video checklist. This AI tool is the key to this whole process. It is one of the craziest AI tools I've tested to date. It's more powerful than ChatGPT, Claude, Perplexity, and DeepSeek combined. And I know you might be skeptical, but what 𝗵𝗵 can do is really going to surprise you. Let me show you what I mean. So when you use AI apps like ChatGPT, DeepSeek, and Claude, you can only upload things like text-based documents to the chat like this. And then they disappear, and it's hard to remember what you uploaded. And sometimes the AI can't even see it. But with 𝗵𝗵, you can upload pretty much anything from images, videos, YouTube links, Instagram Reel links, TikToks, screenshots, voice notes, PDFs, all into this visual board. Then 𝗵𝗵 can see everything, and so can you. 𝗵𝗵 will then automatically transcribe videos, Reels, and TikToks, read your documents, listen to your voice notes. It can even understand text from screenshots. Then where the amazing part starts to happen is you can then connect a chat to your board, and 𝗵𝗵 will then allow you to chat directly with whatever you just uploaded. For example, I can upload a link to one of my own TikTok posts, connect a chat, and then prompt 𝗵𝗵 to tell me exactly what the post is about. And in just seconds, it will tell me exactly what the topic is and the composition of the post. ChatGPT, DeepSeek, Claude, they cannot do this. But how does this result in you monetizing your YouTube channel? Well, let me show you. First, make sure you have your own 𝗵𝗵 account created. There's a link to sign up down below and in my video checklist. But in full transparency, 𝗵𝗵 is of course not free. But I have a discount code just for my subscribers that will give you $25 off. You can get the discount code from my video checklist or beneath the video. But if you're concerned about the price, I actually used to pay for ChatGPT Pro and Claude Pro, which I was now able to cancel because 𝗵𝗵 AI is so much more powerful. And 𝗵𝗵 costs about the same as just one of the other apps per month. So I actually save money with 𝗵𝗵. And with what I'm going to show you next, it will actually allow you to make money. Now, once you're logged into your 𝗵𝗵 account, click right here to create a new board for this project. For this example, I'm acting as though we're monetizing a brand new YouTube channel in the stoicism niche, because this topic is becoming very popular lately. And one pro tip for you when you're picking your niche for your YouTube channel, always try to pick a niche that has a specific problem that it solves, because they're much easier to monetize later. I'll show you why that's important in just a second. Next, once you have your 𝗵𝗵 board created, switch over to YouTube and search for bigger channels in your niche that already have plenty of content posted. I've already found this example channel that you can see right here that has lots of great content in the stoicism niche. Now, what you want to do is copy the link for the most recent video. Then come back to 𝗵𝗵 and paste it into your board. Then you want to do the same with the second video. Copy the link and then paste it into your 𝗵𝗵 board. Then do the same thing one more time with a third video. And if you look right here, you'll see that when you paste the video link into 𝗵𝗵, you can see the AI automatically transcribes the video for you. So you don't have to use any other apps to do that. The last thing you want to do is take a screenshot of the channel and then paste it into your 𝗵𝗵 board. Because don't forget, 𝗵𝗵 can read everything directly from an image as well. And this screenshot will tell 𝗵𝗵 even more about this channel. Now, if you're wondering what's happening here, what you're doing is building up a library of info about your YouTube niche so that you can then chat directly with it in just a second. Then we're going to use this info to ask 𝗵𝗵 to tell us exactly how to monetize this channel. But there's a specific way to prompt 𝗵𝗵 so that it does this correctly. So make sure you keep watching. And another quick thing that I want to say is that if you have your own channel already that has at least 3 videos posted, you can use your channel for this instead of a competitor. But once you have your 3 videos in the screenshot in your dashboard, what you want to do is group them together so that it keeps everything organized for 𝗵𝗵. This makes it so much easier to chat with the AI later. To do that, click on the group option from the left menu, and then drag all of the videos in the screenshot into the group. Next, add a chat feature by clicking here in the left menu and it will be added to your board. Then all you have to do to connect it is to click here and drag them together. Once you've done that, you can now chat directly with all of the information inside of this group. And one thing I want to point out is that with 𝗵𝗵, you actually have access to all of the most recent ChatGPT and Claude models. I typically use Claude for anything related to marketing, but you can choose whichever model you like by clicking this button right here. Now, once you've connected a chat to your board, we can now get to the good part where we prompt 𝗵𝗵 to start telling us exactly how to monetize your channel. To do that, you're going to start with this prompt that you see on my screen right here. Don't forget, you can copy and paste it directly from my video checklist. And what this first prompt is doing is asking 𝗵𝗵 to analyze the videos in the channel screenshot and then give us a complete breakdown of what it's about, what topics are covered, what problem it solves, and it even will give you a complete audience breakdown. And the craziest part about this is that it does it in just a few seconds, which completely blew my mind when I first saw it. Because if you wanted to do this manually yourself, it would take you hours. And if you weren't already a marketing expert, you'd probably get it all wrong. And if I scroll down, you can see 𝗵𝗵 was able to perfectly analyze the videos we uploaded and the screenshot of the channel. And it gives us a perfect summary with everything we need to know now to come up with a monetization plan for this channel. So once 𝗵𝗵 gives you the analysis of your channel, you're going to give it the next prompt that you see right here. Again, to speed things up, you can copy and paste this prompt from my video checklist. With this prompt, you're asking 𝗵𝗵 to use the analysis it just created for you to give you 5 simple digital product ideas that you can use to monetize your channel that fits your content, your niche, and that your audience would really want. And these digital products is how you're going to monetize your content from day one. I'm going to show you how in the next step, but first you need to get 𝗵𝗵 to create them. Once you submit your prompt, 𝗵𝗵 will give you 5 digital product ideas that perfectly fit your channel and are also really in demand by your viewers, which is the most important part. Then all you have to do is scroll through the list and pick the one that you think would best fit your channel. But don't overthink it. If you're not sure which one to pick, choose the one that you think would be the easiest for you to create. Things like courses are harder to create if you're just a beginner. So I suggest you start with ebooks or digital guides because they're the easiest digital products to create. And the best part about this is that you don't actually have to create the product yourself if you don't want to. You can use 𝗵𝗵 to write your entire ebook or digital guide for you. Let me show you what I mean. Once you've chosen your digital product from the list, I'll use this example right here. You can then ask 𝗵𝗵 to create an outline for your ebook for you using the prompt you see on my screen right here. This one's also in the checklist. And once you have the outline, you can then continue to prompt 𝗵𝗵 to write the entire ebook or digital guide for you. So you can see how in just a few minutes with the right prompts, you can get 𝗵𝗵 AI to create your entire digital product for you. And the best thing about digital products is that you can sell them for 100% profit. And you can do this from day one without having to rely on the YouTube partner program to make money with your channel. Now, if you're planning on creating an ebook, guide, or any type of written content, here's an AI hack that I like to use to create the best cover images. Use the AI app 𝗖𝗖𝗢𝗀 to create your ebook cover instead of Canva. You can see the 𝗖𝗖𝗢𝗀 AI app on my screen right here. And the reason why I highly suggest you use this AI app for ebook covers is because 𝗖𝗖𝗢𝗀 is the best AI image generator for images that include text. Just enter the prompt that you see right here with the style of the cover you want 𝗖𝗖𝗢𝗀 to create for you and the title of your ebook or guide. Select the size, then hit submit. And in just a couple of seconds, 𝗖𝗖𝗢𝗀 will create 4 different cover options that include your title of your digital product perfectly on the front. The link to 𝗖𝗂𝗀𝗡𝗏 is also included in my checklist. And I'm going to download this example here to use later in this tutorial by clicking right here. But once you have your digital product created, you're probably thinking, how do you actually connect it to your channel so that you can start making money online? To do that, you're going to use another one of my favorite AI platforms that you can see on my screen right here. This platform is called 𝗏𝗏𝗧𝗏. You might have heard me talk about 𝗏𝗏𝗧𝗏 in one of my other videos, but if not, it's most well known as the most affordable website hosting platform that you can find. But over the last year, they've been making big moves in the AI space, and now have an AI website builder that you can use to create an online store for you in less than 10 minutes with just one simple text prompt. And what's even better is, unlike all of the other online store platforms out there that are really expensive to use, with 𝗏𝗏𝗧𝗏, you can host your entire online store and sell your digital products directly to your YouTube audience for just a few dollars per month, which you can see right here. Plus, you get a free domain, free email, access to all of these other AI tools, and 0 transaction fees. It really is a no-brainer, especially if you're a beginner and you don't want to spend a lot of money on your website, or you don't have any experience creating an online store before. If you want to try it out, there's a link down below, as well as my personal discount code to get an extra 10% off. But let me show you just how simple it is to create your online store with 𝗏𝗏𝗧𝗏 AI. After creating your 𝗏𝗏𝗧𝗏 account, head over to the website section and choose the AI website builder. Then just enter your brand name, or in this case, your channel name, and then enter the prompt you see right here, or copy and paste it from my checklist. Then when you hit this button here, in less than a minute, the AI will generate a complete online store for you. And as I scroll down, you'll see a layout with images that perfectly match our niche. But if the AI doesn't quite get it right the first time, you can always regenerate the website using an updated prompt by clicking here, or you can easily change or add anything you want with the drag and drop editor. And I'm moving through this quickly just to show you how this works. But feel free to take your time to perfect what you want your online store to look like. You can also check out some of my other 𝗏𝗏𝗧𝗏 full tutorials over on my channel. But once you like the way your website looks, the last thing you need to do is add your digital products to your store so that you can start making money. To do that, come over to the left menu and tap on the Manage Store button. This will bring up a simple checklist that will guide you through 4 simple steps that you need to do to publish your store. Next, click on the Add Product option and choose Digital Product, which will bring up this page here where you need to enter the details of your digital product. But you don't actually have to enter anything manually here, because 𝗏𝗏𝗧𝗏 AI will do all of that for you. All you have to do is upload your ebook cover. I'm using the one I created with 𝗖𝗂𝗀𝗡𝗏 in the last step. Hit submit and watch as the AI fills in the entire listing for you. It even suggests an estimated selling price. Of course, you need to make sure it's accurate and make any tweaks or changes to fit your actual product. But the AI does the majority of the work for you. Then the last thing you need to do is upload the actual digital product file here so that it will be sent to your viewers when they purchase it through your store. Then hit save and launch your product. You also want to make sure you delete any of the temporary placeholder products that the AI added when it first created your store. Then you need to finish completing the checklist by entering your payment info by selecting either PayPal or Stripe so that you can get paid. You also need to enter your business information, which I'm not going to cover in this part because it involves your personal details. But once you've completed these steps, you can exit, review your store, and then hit this button here to go live. Here you can see a preview of what your digital product will look like in your store. For this tutorial, I'm using this placeholder domain, but you can connect your own domain that you can get for free through 𝗏𝗏𝗧𝗏. Entering a custom domain will keep your branding consistent with your channel. Then all you have to do to complete this income stream and monetize your channel is to take the link for your new digital product right here, copy it, and paste it into your YouTube channel description and in every description of your video. Just make sure you add a really good call to action that explains how your digital product will solve your viewers' problems or help them get more of what they want from your channel. Then every time someone watches one of your videos, they'll see your call to action with the link to your digital product, and they can buy your products right through your videos. So by adding laser-targeted digital products to your videos, you can start making money online from day one, even if your channel hasn't officially been monetized by YouTube yet.